Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about GBP USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 12th to 16th January 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in GBP USD on Friday. So as you can see 0.29% negative move, 1.33984 was the closing on Friday. So here I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias, and also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bearish candle with a small body and a big upper wick and a small lower wick. Currently if I talk about stochastic RSI is at around overbought area around 88-89, which is indicating as a negative move. But remember, as we always say, you should not only depend on RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair like any news or important events and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So this is a one-day chart. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel. Click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. Currently, if you see, there are important support zones and resistance zone already marked during a previous week analysis. So currently, we don't need to mark any new levels. I don't see any new data that has been established or has come during the past week. So let's talk about the closing first. So here 1.33984 is the closing. Here the direct support is 1.33805 and then 1.33560. After direct support, there is a support of 1.33560 and then 1.33394. After direct, here the direct resistance is 1.34057 and then 1.34312 and then 1.34482. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I've already shared prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works and what are the rules you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. Also, I have shared a discount coupon code which will help you to take better discounts on any challenge that you buy from the prop firm. So let's now talk about my opinion in GBP USD pair for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a positive closing in this end, that is 1.34057 to 1.34312. I'm expecting a positive closing in this range for this week. If you're going for any short trade, then you can go for a short trade once 1.33805 gets breached and a 4-hour or a one-day candle gets closed below this, then we can go for a short till 1.33560. Overall, my expectation is a bit positive. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.